Disney's Animal Kingdom Resort today. We're doing some exploration and I'm taking you with me. Now, as you're going to see on the map, this resort is pretty large. So this is our first time in this part of the resort. We've been in Jumbo House, never been to Kidani Village. So really don't know what to expect, but I'm loving the architecture so far. Now, Kidani Village is part of the DVC Resorts, and that's Disney Vacation Club part of resorts. And you are welcomed by this beautiful, grand entrance. Wow. I love the windows here. Oh, wow. I guess you can watch the animals from here because I am seeing a giraffe right over there. Let me see if I can pan in. There are some animal observation decks here. You've got actually this big space right here, and then right out there as well, they've got rocking chairs so you can watch the animals from within the hotel if you need some AC, or you can go outside. There's also like another area down there that we're gonna go check out, but there she is again. There's the giraffe. We're gonna head downstairs because we need to see the animals a little bit closer. Oh guys, there's some zebra over there. All of the rooms you see here are savannah facing rooms. That means that you are going to have animals outside of your rooms. And this is the observation area that you can come out to. Get a little closer to the animals. It's a little extra hot today, so I think some of the animals are kind of staying in the shade to avoid the heat because it is a scorcher today, guys. The giraffe is walking around. She's headed to where the zebra are and the baobab. There's two. Actually, there's three, so we had not seen those two. The third one is somewhere here. I can't see her with all the sun, but she's somewhere in this direction. So although this is a DVC resort, you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. You can stay in a DVC resort even if you don't own any DVC points. This is a huge resort, guys. Like I mentioned before, there are two parts to it, and there are several dining options here. We're gonna go see what we see from the other observation decks. See if maybe there's better views from other spots. Now, if you've heard of Savannah, this is the place where you're gonna get great bread service. They have delicious food options, and this is right where you're gonna check in. Over here at Johari Treasures is where you're gonna find some items that you can shop for, whether it's souvenirs or if you need some goodies for your room. You've got some DVC exclusive merch right here, so you do have to be a DVC member to be able to buy some of these items. You will find some of these at the parks as well, but they do have some of that new merch that has just been released for the summer.
Hey, look at you. You got comfortable already. The AC is great, yeah.
Ooh, you can tell it's hot in here, guys. Well, you can tell it's hot today, not in here. The AC in here actually feels amazing. I don't know how they keep it cold with that huge window that they have here, but it works. We're gonna check out this observation deck right here and see if we can get some better footage. My honey's already out there vlogging as well. Marky Mouse, by the way, go check him out. Here's the other observation area. Let's see what we see from this side. Doesn't look like there's much on this side, although they are walking all around. They're free to go wherever they want, but they seem to be more on that side. Although we've got some ostriches now headed in this direction. I'm going to show you. Those guys are huge. Got something over there with horns. It's not a baobab. It's not an antelope because he looks too small, but let's zoom in and see what it is because I am not sure what that animal is. So there are 5 restaurants here on the Animal Kingdom Resort, and you do have the options between Kidani Village and Jumbo House. And Jumbo House is really the Animal Kingdom Lodge, I believe. We've got a very smart giraffe over there who's gone on her own to go get the food. So there are several kind of rooms here that you can pick from. You've got your regular rooms to the mini suites, or what they call the studios, and then your full-on suites. You can also rent DVC points from a place that we love to use called David's DVC Rentals. And no, I'm not being sponsored, although he's welcome to sponsor me whenever he wants. That's a great way to rent DVC rooms outside of Disney. And then of course you've got the Disney website as an option. But this hotel is awesome because you don't feel like you're in Florida. You definitely feel like you're somewhere else, and these are meant to look like those African lodges that take you out into the safaris. And the great thing about the observation deck is that the animals are everywhere. So they're moving around from one side to the other. So if you don't catch them at one end, you might catch them on the other. And if you're patient, you'll get to see all of them because they're just walking around everywhere. We've got somebody feeding the animals out there, and you can tell that they already know her. So they're kind of following her around. There she goes. And they've all been following. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a little bit of information about Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Catch me in the next one.